Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Most welcome to Triangular Kamal Academy. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important topics in our higher mathematics from standard 9 and 10. In the last content we have discussed exercise 2 algebraic expressions, and today we are going to start here from the resolving the factors number 7 and question number 3. And already we have done up to number 2. So in this content we are going to start now number 3. First one. The first one, resolve with the factors. The here x cube plus twice x square plus twice x plus 1. And this is a standard polynomial equation whose variable is x and the leading power is x cube and constant part is 1. So consider here p of x. Number 7. This is number 3. So now consider here p of x equal x cube plus twice x square plus twice x plus 1. Okay, now when x equal minus 1, then p of minus 1 equal minus 1 cube plus 2 minus 1 square plus 2 minus 1 plus 1 equal minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 equal 0. So we can write here for x equal minus 1, p of x will be 0. So using remainder theorems, we can say here x plus 1 is one of the factors of p of x. So now write here p of x equal x cube plus twice x square plus twice x plus 1, where one factor is x plus 1. So we can write here, we will get here 3 factors. So one is x plus 1, right, is 1x plus 1. How many times? This is the 3 times, or add x plus 1 and x plus 1. Right here, this one is x cube, so take here common x square and do now symbol multiply x cube plus x square. What we see here, twice x square, we wrote only x square, so here remaining 1x square. And again x plus 1 is a factor, so only x will be common here. Then do multiply, this one will be x square, x 1 times x, the remaining here plus x, already inside the bracket, this one will be plus. Now do simple multiply. And what you see here, x plus is common, 1, 2, 3 parts, and remaining here x square plus 1 plus 1. X square plus x plus 1 remain uncommon. We will get never 0 this one for any values of x. So actually if we do here more calculation, the roots, if we consider here x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0, this one will give us complex roots. That's why we don't need to do any more calculation here. And this is the one factors, and inside this one there are 2 factors. They will be imaginary or complex roots of the x. So that's why we don't need to do for any more calculation. This one will be our final answer. So this is the simple equation number 5 already done. Now we will do number 4 and number 5. So start from the number 4. Number 4. This number 4. So given here x times of x square plus y square plus y times of z square plus x square plus z times of y square plus x square, and then 3 times of x, y, z. Resolve into factors. Okay. Now do simple multiply here. This one, oh, I think I have done here mistakes. Number x, this one will be x, y, z. So this one x, x, y cube, y, zx. So x, this one will be z, and this one will be z here. Okay. Zy square, zx square, x square. Okay. Now do simple calculation here. First one, x z square plus x y square, y z square plus y x square. This one is z x square plus, sorry, zy square. This one will be z x square, and x y z plus x y z, then plus x y z, separating this one. And considering here, like when you take common x, like right here the third line first, common here x, this one xy plus yz plus zx. And so x square y, this one is the first term, x square y, and x square y, which one is x square y? X square y is this one. Now x y z, x y z, considering this one, x y z. Now z x square, z x square, which one is z x square? Z x square is this one. 3 part complete. Next one, x, then y, xy plus yz plus zx. Now do simple multiply. Xy square, xy square, which one is xy square? This one is xy square, then y square z, which one is y square z? This one, y square z. Now this one is xy z. So here another one, xy z, and another one x y. Now finally z, xy yz plus zx. Now do simple calculation. xyz, this one is using the red one, xyz, first do multiply, so finally this one is okay. And now yz square plus yz square, which one is yz square? This one is yz square. And the finally z square, sorry, finally this one will be z square x, and which one is remaining? Z square x, this one. So finally arranging this 9 data in a sequence to take a common x, y, z, all inside the first bracket will remain same, just arranging the data in third line. Now which one will be common from the 3 parts? xy plus yz plus zx is common, and here remaining x, here remaining y, here remaining z. So these are the factors of number 4. Just doing the simple multiply, then arranging all data in the fixed method, and just why we can take common x, y, z, and inside the 3 parts will be in a cyclic order x, y, y, z and zx. And if you take common here first like x, y, then the inside first one will be x plus y plus z. Then take common yz. This one will be x plus y plus z. Then another one will be zx. Then the inside the bracket this one will be x plus y plus z. So you can also do this one like this method. So we are arranging all data. Finally we get here the two factors, and these are the actually factors of number 4. Now similarly we will do number 5. Okay, attention to the number 5, 7, question number 5. X plus 1 whole square, then y minus z, plus y plus 1 whole square multiply with z minus x. The final one, z plus 1 square multiply with x minus y. Okay, right here the formula of a plus b whole square, x square plus twice x plus 1 multiply with y minus z. Again, y square plus twice y plus 1 multiply with z minus x. And then z square plus twice z plus 1 multiply with x minus y. Now do simple calculation here. First you can multiply x squared with yz. So x square multiply with y minus z. Then twice xy multiply with y minus z. Then plus 1 multiply with y minus z. Similarly, y square multiply with z minus x, 2y multiply with z minus x, then 1 multiply with z minus x. The last one, z square multiply with x minus y plus twice z multiply with twice z multiply with x minus y, twice z multiply with x minus y plus 1 multiply with x minus y. And if we do simple calculation here, this minus z we can eliminate, minus z plus y minus y plus x minus x. Now do here, like if we do multiply here, x square y minus z, do here plus twice xy minus twice xz. And here also similarly y square multiply with z minus x plus 2yz minus 2xy. Similarly z square multiply with x minus y and plus twice zx multiply twice zy plus twice zx minus twice zx. We can eliminate this one, plus twice zx minus twice zx plus twice xy minus twice xy and plus twice yz minus twice yz. What you see here? Now do simple multiply all remaining terms. X square y minus x square z plus y square z minus y square x. then z square x minus z square y. How many parts here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inside the 6 part, just arrange the data to take common. Like if you think here, the first one, like this one is x, y, z in cyclic order. Okay, first take common here. X minus y or x minus y, x minus y. First one, just find out. This one is x square y. If we take here xy is common, okay, xy common, x, so this is finally this one here, x square y. Do multiply xy square. Which one is xy square? This one right here, xy square. Finally this one is okay. And here x minus y, x minus y, taking here common x minus y. Okay, if we take here common minus z, okay, like here minus z is common. This one will be x square, this one will be y square. So z multiply with x square, finally we get this one minus x square z, minus minus plus, this one will be y square z, just above 1. Okay, already 1, 2, 3, 4. And here remaining this one, just take common. Z square is common. Finally z square is common. Just x minus y. This one is now here, this one is now. Just arrange right here, plus z square x minus z square y. Just arranging these 6 data to take a common x minus y, x minus y. Okay. What we see here, x square minus y square, we can write here x plus y and x minus y. Now x minus y, x minus y, x minus y, taking all are common here, like xy, x minus y plus, minus z into x plus y and x minus y, like z square equal x minus y. Now which part is common? X minus y is common. The remaining here xy, here remaining z multiply with x plus y, so minus zx minus zy remaining, and here only z square. Okay, this our the first word complete. Now x minus y, consider here y is common, x minus z plus z is common, z minus x, z minus x. Okay, x minus y, and this one is y multiply with x minus z. These are not same, so take here minus z is common, minus z is common, this one will be x minus z, plus minus a minus zx, minus minus a plus z square. Now x minus y, just find out the common one, x minus z, this one is y minus z. If you consider here as a cyclic order, x, y, z, all are not in a cyclic order. Here x minus y, so x minus y, this one is not z minus x, this one will be z minus x, not x minus z. So take here minus 1 is minus common, so this one will be x minus, first write here y minus z and finally z minus x. And from here z minus x, just taking here minus 1 is common, then these 3 variables will be in a cyclic order. Just only second one is not a cyclic order. That's why we took here common minus 1. And when the minus 1 common, x minus z will be z minus x. So these actually are the factors of number 5, from 7 number 5. So this is the final answer. Again I am reviewing this answer. First step, using here formula x plus y whole square, writing here formula y plus 1 whole square, then plus 1, and successively we have done calculation here. First x square multiply with this one, xy multiply with this one, 1 multiply with this one. Similarly we have done in 3 parts, just doing the simple calculation. Finally we get here. And the second step, we multiply xy with x minus y, and then doing simple calculation. Finally we get this here 6 term, and arranging this data, x minus y is taking as a common, and we have done here that successively we found here 3 factors: x minus y, y minus x, z minus x, and times of minus 1 times. So these are the 3 factors of this one. So hopefully we are going to leave our class now. If you have any questions, please do comments in the below links, and hopefully see you again in the next tutorial. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.